kan ni gedi ka Jaka den nani ka dam ka balak den ya ka wi ka wa ka balan hapo ka snong maura akan ti ban le napo maujrong chapo khan asnong ya kan ni ka Jaka den tip kum ka maura multi purpose water reservoir ha ka ba on pun kam na kam ta ka rep karyang ka umbam umdi bat ki wi de ka jung kam la Plie ya ka da umri rang ba ka jala o konda sangma rangkat ke jong langoi pat ki menteri kuntup i Dr. Pynlang do umat ke semarak bat ki wede kentup du yaki officer Jaka sarkar kentup du yaki officer Jaka soil and water conservation bat ki wede ki wedan lang hakate kesni ya kan ka dam lasna kan ki snam ki baladep pada ka Jaka poru kan ni amtang bakalong ka Jaka ban pelang da kam ban tan siki Jaka nongrep bat ki we ki ding jeng kam halai ka kalalong ru ko we ni ki pung ne ni ki dam ki ba Khring ba yaki nang wa Jaka kai perthai ha ka ba ki tourist ki man Shabar jilla bat na Shabariru ki bopon ki lapoi sakatai ka Jaka masna ba ka Jaka ka tahu ki jingki yang ka belas pentai ka skim MNRDS ka balalang Khring susu ya ka tai ka bentalan di ka Jaka ha ka ka snong ka ba manswa ka di ka snong ka ba dosra abha ka ba khamlong e ka rep karyang
come you should come yeah you should hold at least you can see your face the flower is covering your face yes okay yeah there you go yeah look like that there you go okay
yes sir.
So 1 2 and 3
Yay.
yeah.
Thank you.
Abakran na kani ka jalan na kalang umatirang ba ulaong ba kasokar kan simkya ba na gamadaban pelang mat pendek pensa ki umba umdi hakaba kani asam las number 1 kasokar kan pelot adu saus pak klur tengka pachna ki dambar ki Jaka pelang ke bakum
be roughly investing close to 400 crores in the span of next 3 years, creating hundreds of reservoirs across the state. Just to give an idea to you, we are only able to keep about 4 to 5% of the water that we get because of the rains. And most of the water flows away into Bangladesh or to Assam. And hence the only way to stop the flow of the water or to preserve or conserve the water is to create dams like these. And hence this is one of the projects, a very successful one, and I thank and congratulate the Soil Conservation Department and all the officers who have been involved in making this a success. Big congratulations to you. The work has been done exceptionally well, and we can see from the completion also that it is also in a way an engineering, kind of a nice engineering and architecture marvel also. So it's a great project, and once again I congratulate the team headed by our officials, the director and commissioner and secretary, and of course our honorable minister. Our purpose of having these reservoirs is also not just to conserve, but as was mentioned by Dr. Pynlang, we want to see that this can be used for multi-purpose activities, be it for farming, be it for creating different aquaculture, or be it for tourism. And hence, let me assure you that tourism is going to be a very important part. As you all know, for the first time from the main road up to Kongtong village, 25 kilometers of road, this may be the first time in the history of the state that the entire 25 kilometers will be black-topped. As you know that this particular stretch, which is not black-topped as of now, already a 15 crore PMGSY road is being sanctioned and work is going on, and I have spoken to the contractor. We expect the work to be completed by January 2025. In 1 year's time, the entire road will be black-topped, and this will be a great blessing for the people, and also it will be a great blessing from the tourism point of view.